Howdy everybody, this is Rex again from Online Benjamins, back with you. Last video we talked a little bit about the inside of Wealthy Affiliate System, and I told you I would do another video on the actual training part because it's pretty extensive. And to be honest with you, Wealthy Affiliate is primarily a training platform in a community of other entrepreneurs that are members. They tell us it's over 2 million members now worldwide, so we've got people of all expertise levels in all different areas of the internet marketing and online business. And they're all like a giant social platform. You ask questions, they share information, share ideas. Some of them even create trainings. You've got people that have made nothing online, people that are millionaires. And they're all happy to answer questions and help you out whenever they can, which makes it pretty unique in the world of internet training and internet marketing. I thought I'd take you, you're looking at my back office, my dashboard, if you will. And being a premium member, I have access to all the different trainings. We covered the starter membership last time, which limits you to just the first class in online certification. But I thought today I'd show you a little bit more about the training headquarters, if you will. You go back over here to training, click on training, it'll take us to this screen, and of course this is what I'm working on now, boot camp training. I click check my training activity, go down one more to training headquarters, and then from this screen I can just search whatever I want, whatever you can think of, whatever you're interested in online marketing. What do you want to learn? What do you want to learn in online? How about email marketing? Since you're going to have a website, you're going to be trying to build an email list, and you need to, how do I market those email subscribers? So you can type in email marketing and hit search, and you just have class after class, tutorials, videos, just on and on and on about email marketing. This is all available to you as a premium member comes with your fee. It's a monthly subscription at Wealthy Affiliate, but as a premium member, this is just email marketing, folks. Look how many classes and tutorials and videos on email marketing. It's just, you would pay hundreds, if not thousands of dollars for this much information anywhere else. Email marketing, what else would you want to know? How about lead magnets? We need a lead magnet to get people to sign up to our email list, right? Why don't we just type in lead magnet, see what we get. Let's search for lead magnet. Oh, look at here. What is a lead magnet? What do you do? Just, again, classrooms, tutorials, videos about lead magnets, which dovetails with email marketing. How about, I don't know, what else would you, how about sales funnels, right? You've heard about ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, if you sign up for ClickFunnels, it's going to cost you $99 a month. And they host your funnels for you, and if you ever quit ClickFunnels, guess what? You lose all your funnels. Here in Wealthy Affiliate, there's trainings on how to build your own sales funnels within your own website, which you will own. And if you ever decide you want to leave Wealthy Affiliate and take your website and move it to HostGator or GoDaddy or Bluehost, wherever, you take all that with you. All your training that you learned here, all the sales funnels you built, your website, everything can go with you. But, of course, we would hope you'd stay here. But my point is, it belongs to you. Where ClickFunnels, great. As long as you're paying the $99 a month, it belongs to you. But let's do sales funnels. How about sales funnels? If we want to learn how to do sales funnels, hit search, and there's using sales funnels for your business. There's even, trainings, videos again, tutorials, everything, the plugins to use to build sales funnels on your website, and it just goes on and on and on and on. You can spend days in here just learning sales funnels. Again, you would spend hundreds, if not thousands of dollars to learn this kind of information. It just comes with the package. It comes with your premium membership. You get a 7-day free trial like we covered last time, which limits you to the first course in online certification. And then if you sign up before the end of your 7 days. If you go premium, they'll let you go the first month for $19. So you can get 5 weeks of training on this platform for less than $20. It's less than $4 a week. You can't match that anywhere in the industry. I don't care who's super duper programs out there. You can't beat $20, less than $20 for 5 weeks of this kind of education and this kind of resources. This doesn't even plug into the community. All these people that produce these courses, you can message them directly and have them explain it and answer your questions. All part of the system here at Wealthy Affiliate, part of the community. We give back to each other. We help each other. You know, some of the other, what else would you like to learn? How about Pinterest? That's something I just recently started playing with. Pinterest. All the training on Pinterest. You know, again, there's people selling courses on how to use Pinterest that are they're charging $200 or more, and it's all, you've got 10 times the information or more on Pinterest within the Wealthy Affiliate platform that you can access. You learn it, and it comes with your membership. On Pinterest, do you want to do Twitter? See what do they have on Twitter? Again, same thing. Just courses, videos, tutorials on how to use Twitter, how to market on Twitter. As you can see, just keeps going and going. Okay. So from the training headquarters, you can search just almost anything you can think on online business. So how to build, landing pages, not a landing page, which should be part of your sales funnel. Look, here again, landing pages, just tutorials, and this is for people that are doing it. This is not some theory that or some imaginary guru. These are actual people that are actually implementing these courses and have had success with them, and now have put together trainings for the rest of the community. And all that's, like I said, for your one fee, in addition to your web hosting, in addition to all the security that goes with your website, the daily backups of your website, all the other training, access to the community. You get all of this is at your fingertips. Anything you want to know, if you have a question, you can always go up here to the top bar next to the Wealthy Affiliate logo and type it in, or you can click on this person's profile and go directly to their profile and ask them a question. Go back to training. You got classrooms. Each just organizes the training in a different, under different topics like social media marketing. We talked about Pinterest and we talked about Twitter. Well, you got Facebook and all that is all under this one classroom where you got 19 videos, 4 courses, 27 tutorials, and 8 webinars. And these are the authors of the various. So this one classroom. If you just want to study social media marketing, you go into this classroom and go through all of that. Website development and programming. 28 videos, 5 courses, 55 tutorials, and 8 webinars. Authoring and writing content, pay-per-click marketing, if you paid ads for your affiliate program. We got 7 videos, 5 courses, 17 tutorials. You can find all of that stuff by going direct from the training headquarters. This is just if you want to study one particular area of business in online business, you can grab one of these classrooms and study it as a class. Keyword research, video marketing, YouTube, etc. Email marketing we looked at before. Everything WordPress, if you want to dig deeper into how to program with WordPress. And then down here is local marketing. If you want to set up an agency where you sell your marketing services to local businesses, build them websites, build them sales funnels to generate leads and sales for them. This classroom would cover that. Like I said, there's a huge amount of training available to you. It's no place available anywhere in the world where you can get this much training for the price. It's just, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. The real key is the training is the core, but then the community. You have access to all these all these people that are actually entrepreneurs that are producing these courses. They help each other. You can ask anything. There'll be 24/7. There's over 2 million members now. There's always somebody online to help. If you need anything, you just type in a question, or you go to their profile if you're doing one of their courses. You need a message, and they'll get back to you, and they'll be glad to help you. And it's all on you. I mean, there's nothing here that promises easy money, but if you follow the trainings, if you access all the education that's available here, and you apply yourself, you do the work, you can't fail. The people that don't make money are the ones that say, this is too much work, I don't want to do it, I'm not going to do that, it's just too hard, or I don't like it, and they quit. Well, of course not, you're not going to make any money. The material's here, the systems are here, the support is here, and the training definitely is here. There's no excuse to not make money online if you apply yourself and put in the work and do the training and access the community and ask questions and apply what you've learned and build your website, build your business, build whatever you want to build in the online space. You will be successful, and you can't beat the price that you for all this training and access that you get at Wealthy Affiliate. There's nothing else out there. Now, there are some good programs. I'm a member of a couple of them that are really good, but they all come up short in the overall continuing education and access to a community like you have at Wealthy Affiliate. It doesn't say they're bad. I mean, like I said, I'm a member of a couple of others that are very good, and we can cover them in future videos, but this is the best by far anywhere in the world is Wealthy Affiliate, and that's why there's over 2 million members. Like I said, it's not a promise to make money. It's a promise that if you have everything you need here to make money. The rest is up to you. And for $19 to get 5 weeks of this kind of education and opportunity and access to community, you really need to try the 7-day free trial. And then on your 7th day, sign up for the first month for $19. And after 5 weeks, you should know then if this is for you or not, if this is good enough or not. And so you can afford $20. And my bet is if you try it for $20 for 5 weeks, you'll be hooked. You'll be in business. You'll have a website up. You'll have affiliate programs hooked up, and you'll be on your road to online entrepreneurship. Anyway, this my spiel. Feel free to give it a try for free. There's a link down there in the description if you want to come over and check it out yourself. You can, there's a link to my review of Wealthy Affiliate as well. Help yourself. Come in to sign up for the free trial and come give it a shot to see what you think. Anyway, that's all I got for today. We'll cover some more in the next video. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section and I'll be glad to get back to you. You can contact me anytime at onlinebenjamins.com. And we'll see you around. Hope to see you on the inside of Wealthy Affiliate sometime.